Ended! Sapato pa.
Sapato pa.
Ended!
Good day everyone, introducing to you the AASPS. AASPS stands for Aircraft Antenna Signal Propagation Simulator. Tara! This program aims to visualize signal propagation to better understand their characteristics and their performance under different conditions. The researchers have come up with this program to address the difficulty of understanding signal characteristics due to its invisible nature. With this program, we will be able to aid the teaching of antenna subject while also adding fun in the process.
Different researchers support this study. According to them, computer-based training helps enhance the effectiveness of the student learning education. According to Stokes, the visual enhancement most effectively, teachers should possess skills by including language, imagery, and skill of visually. This proves that AASPS will be a big help for the students.
We are the researchers. Of course, we use Unity 3D as the main software to develop our program.
Along with this program, we also use Parallax and Mechanim as the animation tool for movements and scaling of the objects inside the simulation interface. We achieved the output that our initial study aimed to make through these programs with the assistance of our program developer.
Upon using the AASPS simulator, do you have any other suggestions?
Maganda naman po yung program na to para sa amin, lalo na sa mga estudyante. Kasi mas nag-visualize namin yung mga signals. And about sa app is okay naman na siya para sa amin. Wala na akong sasuggest.
Okay. Thank you. What can you recommend from using the AASPS simulator?
For me, sa akin, maayos naman siya, but mas maganda siguro kung magiging 3D siya.
Okay. What do you think are the pros and cons in using the AASPS simulator?
So tingin ko po yung pros niya sa dagdag knowledge po kung ano yung nangyayari sa communication natin from aircraft to ATC and everything po. Kasama na po sa satellite. And yung cons sa tingin ko po is hindi po kasi siya yung actual na yung makikita niya. It is a program po kaya yun lang.
Thank you.
That's what we'll see you tomorrow.
Balang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Mala Michael Jordan nung ma-high score. Kilalang magaling.
So yun guys, thesis day na namin mga grupo ko. Yan. Nakita nyo yung output namin. Yun yung basically magiging discussion. Rush lang yan pero yun, kayang-kaya naman. So kami na yung susunod na magde-defend. Hopefully okay naman na. Ayan, sila is tapos na yung grupo. Tapos si Mami sa advisor namin. Ganda. Then ayan.
Kaya dapat pumasa.
Hopefully maging okay na. After that, medyo kabado lahat eh.
Papawis na yung kamay.
Nililig lang yung kamay. Si Ma'am Kabado 20.
Oo.
So, balita ko na lang kayo ulit mamaya.
Kasi DJ.
Sapato pa. Ano lang sasabihin?
Defender.
Defender. Thank you Lord na lang. Depend na namin guys yung thesis namin. And thank you sa contribution ng lahat.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, na-defend na namin. So far, so good. A.
Meeting bungis-gis.
Hindi ko na alam yung sasabihin ko guys. Kasi ano na to. Culmination ng lahat ng mga ginawa namin mula first year to fourth year. And wala, after nito revision lang. Ay, slide, ano lang ba re-revise natin?
Grammars lang eh.
Ayun, mga grammars. Pulido lang ng flowcharts. Ano pa ba? Spacing lang naman, tsaka page numbers. Yung mga ganun lang, minors na lang, pero all goods na.
Congrats.
Ganyan lang naman ang everyday life dito sa WCC. Ma-inspire ka talaga sa dami ng aircon. So yun guys, di ba nga na-approve yung thesis namin? So yun nga guys, di ba nga natapos na yung thesis namin. Na-defend namin siya nung around first week ng buwan na to. Ano ba ngayon? May 28 to 29. So, mga nakapasa sa thesis, most likely na mga magagandang output. I-feature nila dito sa sa symposium namin. And yung ma-feature sa symposium yung mga thesis para i-exhibit. Kasi may iba't ibang mga campuses such as yung University of Eastern Pangasinan, University of Luzon, pang colleges tsaka universities dito sa Pangasinan, yung Baguio area, ganun. So, mag-exhibit lang kami, showcase lang namin yung mga thesis namin for this day tsaka kinabukasan. Then, ayun, bakasyon na, waiting for graduation na lang. So, samahan nyo lang kami pong event and ayun. Bale yung grupo nyo, wait lang, yung grupo nyo pala. Yung grupo nila yung sa klase namin, makasama ko mag-exhibit. Vlog, sama ka. Ikaw, discuss mo yung mo. Discuss mo. Boss, anong purpose niyan?
Hindi kasi minimimik kasi yan yung behavior na aircraft or process of flight.
So may free taste daw dito guys. So dito kami. Naupo na kami. Vlog. Oy, kunwari kinuha. birthday nga pala idol.
Happy na birthday mo
Birthday
pa!
siya sa vlog ko. Max.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday din sa'yo.
Mga baril-baril. Cut mo yun. Cut. Ito si Gaya. So ayun guys, tapos na kami mag symposium and it's been, may tatawid.
So ganap.
So it's been a successful symposium for us. Maganda naman yung kinalabasan ng reporting namin. Nagustuhan naman nila yung product namin. So yun, everything set na. Natapos ko na rin yung clearance ko. Natapos ko na rin yung permit ko. So yun. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on my next vlog. Sorry, Nations.
Hi mga sisi! So, get ready with me with my graduation makeup. So, first nilalagyan muna ako